بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. السلام علیکم. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. Okay students, today we are going to start your English book and the unit number is 3 and the topic name is Sindbad the Sailor. Okay, sailor کہتے ہیں ملاح کو, یعنی سندباد اس کا نام ہے, تو سندباد the sailor ایک ملاح. Once upon a time in the city of Baghdad, یعنی ایک دفعہ کا ذکر ہے, بغداد is the city name, بغداد کے شہر میں, there lived a sailor, یعنی ایک ملاح رہتا تھا. ملاح کہتے ہیں جو کہ کشتی چلاتا ہے, اس کو کہتے ہیں sailor. There lived a sailor called Sindbad, یعنی اس کو سندباد کہا جاتا تھا. He had sailed across the world and had many exciting adventures. ایڈونچرس کہتے ہیں یعنی کہ مہم کو, اس کو بہت زیادہ شوق تھا کہ مختلف قسم کے ایڈونچرس کرے, یعنی مہمات پر جائے. اور he had sailed across the world, یعنی کہ وہ دنیا کے مختلف حصوں میں سیل کرتا ہوا ان ایڈونچرس کو کرنا چاہتا تھا. One day there was a terrible storm. Terrible خوفناک, storm طوفان. ایک دفعہ وہاں پر ایک خوفناک طوفان آیا. And his ship was destroyed near an island. Island کہتے ہیں جزیرے کو. Ship اس کی کشتی یا جو جہاز تھا, destroyed تباہ ہو گیا, تو اس کا جہاز اس میں اس جزیرے پر تباہ ہو گیا. Sindbad swam to the shore and was so tired that he fell fast asleep. Sindbad swim, this is the second form of swim, swim, swam, swam. اس کا مطلب ہے تیرنا. to the shore, ساحل تک, یعنی وہ ساحل تک اتنا زیادہ تیرا. and was so tired, tired mean تھک گیا, اور اتنا زیادہ تھک گیا that he fell fast asleep. فاسٹ مین گہری, asleep سو گیا, یعنی وہ ساحل تک پہنچنے کے لیے اتنا زیادہ تیرا اور تھک گیا کہ وہ گہری نیند سو گیا. He woke up to hear the flapping of wings. Woke up جاگا, to hear سن کر, flapping پھڑپڑاہٹ, of wings پروں کی, یعنی ایک دم سے وہ پروں کی پھڑپڑاہٹ سن کر جاگ گیا. And saw the shadow of a huge bird above him. Saw دیکھا, shadow سایہ, a huge bird ایک بہت بڑے پرندے کا, above him اس کے اوپر, یعنی اس نے اپنے اوپر ایک بہت بڑے پرندے کا سایہ دیکھا. Sindbad hid himself behind a rock. Hid mean چھپا لیا, hide, hid, hidden. This is the second form of hide. So سندباد نے اپنے آپ کو راک, ایک چٹان کے پیچھے چھپا لیا. The bird landed near him. اب وہ کیا پرندہ, landed mean اس کے پاس, اس کے نزدیک, near نزدیک اترا. Next to it was a huge white egg. اس کے آگے ایک بھاری سفید کلر کا انڈا پڑا ہوا تھا. Sindbad took off his turban and tied himself to the bird's enormous leg. took off یعنی اتار دی, his turban, you can see this is the turban, یعنی جو اس نے سر پہ یہ کپڑا باندھا ہوا ہے, is called a turban. and tied himself, اور اپنے آپ کو باندھ دیا, to the bird's enormous leg. enormous mean بہت بڑی, یعنی وہ بہت بڑا پرندہ تھا تو اس کی ٹانگ بھی بہت زیادہ بڑی تھی, تو اس نے اس کی بڑی سی ٹانگ سے اس ٹربن کے ذریعے اپنے آپ کو باندھ لیا. The bird flew off with Sindbad and landed in a valley full of diamonds sparkling in the sunlight. یعنی flew off, وہ پرندہ اڑا سندباد کے ساتھ, اور landed in the valley, valley کہتے ہیں وادی کو, ایک وادی میں اس نے لینڈ کیا, جہاں پر کیا تھا, چمکتے ہوئے ڈائمنڈز. ڈائمنڈز کہتے ہیں ہیرے کو, just like jewels, یعنی سورج کی روشنی میں وہاں پر ہیرے جواہرات چمک رہے تھے. اس وادی میں اس پرندے نے سندباد کے ساتھ لینڈ کیا. He gathered up as many diamonds as he could carry and tied himself to a dead animal laying on the ground. اب کیا ہوا, he gathered mean اکٹھے کیے, as many diamonds as he could, یعنی اس نے اتنے زیادہ وہ ہیرے اکٹھے کر لیے جتنے وہ کر سکتا تھا, اور اپنے آپ کو وہاں پر ایک ڈیڈ اینیمل, یعنی ایک مرا ہوا پرندہ پڑا تھا زمین پر, اس نے اپنے آپ کو اس پرندے کے ساتھ باندھ لیا, یعنی جتنے وہ ڈائمنڈز اکٹھے کر سکتا تھا اس نے وہ اکٹھے کیے اور خود کو اس ڈیڈ اینیمل کے ساتھ بھی دوبارہ سے باندھ دیا. After some times a big eagle flew down to pick up the meat and carried Sindbad out of the valley. یعنی آفٹر سم ٹائم کچھ دیر کے بعد a big eagle, eagle mean عقاب یعنی ایک بڑا سا عقاب یا چیل وہاں پر اڑی اور اس نے اس گوشت کے جو مرا ہوا پرندہ تھا اس کو اٹھایا and carried Sindbad out of the valley, اور کیونکہ سندباد نے بھی اس کو اپنے ساتھ باندھا ہوا تھا تو وہ سندباد کو بھی اس وادی سے اٹھا کر لے گیا. Sindbad sold the diamonds and became a rich man. یعنی سندباد نے وہ ڈائمنڈ sold mean this is the second form of sell, sold it means بیچ دیے. اس نے وہ سارے ڈائمنڈز بیچ دیے اور ایک امیر آدمی بن گیا. Okay, now we have completed this reading. There is another poem. We have to read this also. So read this poem. There was an old woman. There was an old woman who lived in a shoe. She had so many children, she didn't know what to do. She gave them some soup without any bread, then kissed them all kindly and sent them to bed. Okay, this is a poem and this is about a woman. یعنی ایک عورت کے بارے میں یہ poem ہے جو کہ ایک شو میں رہتی ہے اور جس کے بہت سارے بچے ہیں لیکن وہ یہ نہیں سمجھ آتا اس کو کہ وہ کیا کرے. and she gave them some soup, اور وہ ان کو کچھ سوپ دیتی ہے بغیر کسی بریڈ کے. وہ ان کو پیار کرتی ہے نرمی سے اور ان کو دوبارہ سے بیڈ پر سلا دیتی ہے. so this is a story about a woman. Okay, so next we have to do the book work. First of all, quickly open your book. The page number is 19 and this is the part B. So now read the story of Sindbad again. Look at the underlined verbs. These are irregular verbs that form the past tense without ed. Okay, you can see this is the past tense but there is no ed, yani ed pe ye finish nahi ho raha and you have to change it. Copy these verbs in your exercise book and then write the present tense. You have to change this past tense into present tense. Okay, this is the past tense and this is the present tense, so you have to change all these words into present tense. It means the first form of verb. Okay, so let's start it. First of all, there is a had, so had will change into has. Okay, write like this: had, has. Was mean tha, is mean hai, so was will change into is. Swam, swim. This is the first form, so that's why this is showing the present tense. Okay, swam, swims. Fell, falls. Woke, wakes. Saw, sees. Took, takes. Flew, flies. Could, can. Became, becomes. Okay, we have changed the second form past tense into present tense and we are using for that is the present tense. It means the first form of verb. Clear? So now let's start the part A. Write the past tense of verbs. This is also on page number 19. You can see on your book. So write the past tense of the verbs by adding ed or only d to words ending with e. Okay, انہوں نے کہا ہے کہ آپ وہ والے words لکھیں جو لاسٹ میں ed پر end ہو رہے ہوں. It means first we have to change past into present. Now we have to change present into past. This is opposite, یعنی اس سے یہ opposite ہے. Now this is the first form. Now we have change into second form of verb. You can see this. So this is need will change into needed. You have to fill in the blanks that has been given on your book. The page number is 19 and the question number and the part A, writing time. Okay, so need will change into needed. Walk, walked. Paint, painted. Play, played. Live, lived. Talk, talked. Okay, we will change the first form of verb into the second form of verb. So then it will become the past tense. So let's start the part E. Complete the picture story. Okay, this is also page number 19. Now we have to choose the right option. You can see on your book that there is a first statement is Sindbad was a sailor, tailor or ruler. He lived in Multan, Kabul or Baghdad. So you have to identify that which option is correct and you will tick that option. Okay, so first of all, Sindbad was a, yes, that was a sailor. So you will write, you will tick the sailor option. And he lived in Baghdad. Okay, tick the Baghdad on your book. One day he sailed in a, yes, Bird Rock. Okay, bird, in a boat. So there was a big storm. Big storm. His ship was destroyed near island. Sindbad swam to the shore and fell asleep as he was very tired. When he woke up, he heard the flapping of wings. He saw a huge bird. Okay, he saw a huge bird. Here you will write the bird. And hid behind a rock. Okay, hid behind a rock. The bird landed near him. He took off his turban. Wash, turban or shoes? So the right option is turban. You will write the turban. And tied himself to the bird's leg. The bird flew with him and landed in the Valley of Diamonds. Okay, and landed in the Valley of Diamonds. So he gathered so many diamonds on the as he could. Soon an eagle. So the right option is eagle. Soon an eagle carried him out of the valley. Sindbad sold the diamonds and became a rich man. So right option is last one is rich man on your book. That is on page number 20 now. Okay. So we have completed this story with the right option. So next is part F. You can see the part F. Write the following words in alphabetical order by looking at the second letter in each word. So you have to arrange all these words according to alphabetically order. वो क्या होता है alphabetically order? Means कि according to just like पहले अगर A से word बन रहा है आप वो लिखोगे, next B, C, D, E, F, G, यानी according to A, B, C जो word पहले आता है उसको कहते हैं alphabetical order. So in the first one you can see storm, sailed and swam. But the first one is sailed क्योंकि A पहले आता है इसके बाद और उसके बाद फिर T आता है. Okay, so sailed, storm and last में W आता है, so that's why swam सबसे last में चला जाएगा. Sailed, storm and swam. You have to write this order on your book. So next one is again shadow, sparkling and sunlight. Okay, and number 3 is palace, pilot and pre. You have to write this order because this is alphabetical order correct. Okay, now we have completed this. So this is your copy work, students. Quickly make sure journal is ready and write it down on your copies with complete presentation. So first of all, these are the words meaning. The first word is terrible. Okay, write it down on your journals. So terrible and the meaning is horrible. It means khoufnak. Urdu meaning is khoufnak. Terrible, horrible. Adventure is take chances. यानी कि मुहिम जो आप एडवेंचर करना चाहते हो, कोई चांस लेना चाहते हो, किसी मुहिम पे जाना चाहते हो, is called an adventure. And the meaning is take chances. Next is destroyed. Destroyed, the English meaning is ruined. And the Urdu meaning is तबाह कर देना, बर्बाद कर देना. Okay, next word is sparkling. Sparkling meaning is glittering. And the Urdu meaning is chamakna, chamakdar ya chamakna. Okay. Next is gathered. English meaning is collected. And Urdu meaning is akattha karna. Okay. And the last meaning is enormous. Enormous is very big, यानी कि बहुत बड़ा. So make sentences of these words. You can make the sentence. I am just guiding you. You can make your own sentences also. So first of all, swan. Swan क्या होता है? यानी राजहंस एक बतख सी होती है. That is called a swan. So you can make the sentence like this. I saw a beautiful swan. I saw a beautiful swan. Okay. So next word is took. You can make the sentence of took is like this. Aslam took my book yesterday. Aslam took my book yesterday. And next is flew. Flew is crow flew away after drinking water. Crow flew away after drinking water. And next is became. He became very sad about his result. He became very sad about his result. Okay, you can make your own sentences also. Now this is the list of regular verb. You can have to write down in the copy. Verb is an action word, यानी जिसमें कोई काम हो रहा होता है, action हो रहा होता है, is called a verb. Now you can see these are the examples of the regular verb, just like wait, waited. This is present tense and this is past tense, past verb. Okay, wait, waited. Visit, visited. Need, needed. Paint, painted. Start, started. Add, added. Land, landed. Mix, mixed. Wash, washed. Laugh, laughed. Miss, missed. Watch, watched. Help, helped. Live, lived. Climb, climbed. Smile, smiled. And enjoy, enjoyed. Okay, now we have completed that. Now we have to do the question answers. Okay, you also have to write down on your copies. So the first question is, who was the Sinbad? Where did he live? Okay, and the answer is Sinbad was a sailor and he lived in the city of Baghdad. You must have to write down the capital letter for the city. City of Baghdad. So number 2 is, what happened to Sinbad's ship? यानी सिंदबाद की शिप से क्या हुआ था? And the answer is Sinbad's ship was destroyed in a terrible storm. यानी वो एक खौफनाक तूफान में तबाह हो गई थी. Number 3 question, how did Sinbad wake up? Wake up mean यानी सिंदबाद कैसे जागा? And the answer is Sinbad woke up. This is the second form of wake. Wake, woke. Okay. So Sinbad woke up after hearing the flapping of the wings of a huge bird. Okay, flapping of the wings of a huge bird. So the next one is question number 4. What did Sinbad gather? यानी उसने क्या इकट्ठा किया? Sinbad gathered up as many diamonds as he could. Okay, Sinbad gathered up as many diamonds as he could. Next question number 5. How did Sinbad became rich? यानी कि वो अमीर कैसे हुआ? And the answer number 5 is Sinbad sold the diamonds, यानी कि उसने diamonds बेच दिए and became a rich man, और एक अमीर आदमी बन गया. Okay, now we have completed our whole chapter, the reading and the question answers. So take care and Allah Hafiz.